Hey there Dev Squad, Virtus here, and as you guys may know, we have recently moved into a brand new studio space, and today we're going to be taking a moment to show you around the studio space and also talk about what it means for the future of Virtus Learning Hub and the courses that we are creating. Now what I did want to do is take a moment to thank our awesome Patreons for making all of this possible. If you want to see more content just like this, make sure you go ahead and check out the Patreon page using the link in the description. We moved into our studio at the beginning of April, which is located in Hertfordshire, just outside of London, UK. The building is over 300 years old and is a Grade 2 historic building, so if you're into ghosts and scary nights, then this is the place to be. Anyway, without further ado, let's take you into our production space and show you what we've got. First things first, we have got my main editing workstation, which I recently put together and features a massive 32-inch 4K monitor which was supplied by PenQ and offers great quality for development and design thanks to its 100% sRGB range and the high resolution from the 4K. Powering this 4K output, we have an AMD Threadripper based PC with 16 cores running 32 threads, which is perfect for rendering both videos and lighting for video game environments. The rig also boasts 32GB of RAM and a GTX 970, along with an SSD for those super quick boot times. If you want the full specs of the computers that we use in our studio, don't forget you can go ahead and check them out using the link in the description, or we've got them on the screen now. Moving on from my PC, we have my favourite part, the hot shooting area, where I record the content in front of the camera and features two softbox lights along with a suspended microphone stand to get that crisp audio. With the studio being an old building, we do have a real fireplace, which holds some productivity paperwork along with the 100,000 subscriber award that was sent over to us from YouTube. Once again, I cannot thank you enough for this. The last bit of technical kit we have is a second workstation, which is currently running three 1920 by 1080p monitors that I custom spray painted myself to give them a modern look. They have really thin bezels, which makes these perfect for productivity. Now, this is also being powered by an AMD processor and features an AMD 8-core processor. And again, like I said, if you want to find out the full specs of this machine or any other stuff in the office, go ahead and check out the stuff that's listed on the screen and what is in the description down below. Anyway guys, that is everything that I wanted to show you for today. I can't say thank you enough for everyone that has made all of this possible, and I'm really looking forward to what we're going to be able to do with this production space. Now, with all the extra equipment that we've got and the extra space, the main thing that you're going to notice is the quality of the content that we're going to be putting out. And not just that, we are also going to be putting out more content, as you're going to see as we develop this instructor partner program. A little bit more of that. If you want to find out about it, you can check it out in the link in the description. Anyway guys, I know the last few weeks has been a little bit rough in terms of content, but as we're now back on track, we're going to be going full steam ahead creating brand new content. Thanks again for watching guys, and as always, stay awesome, keep creating. Your boy Virtus, signing out.